Don't get so deceived by your own opinions that you start denying your own truth. A lot of what you think you know is borrowed from someone else. Even who you think you are is borrowed from someone else. Borrowed from someone who didn't even know who they were. I challenge you to start connecting more with yourself, because the truth has always been within you. God, the divine, our higher power, is not as separate from you as you might think. God's voice is in the silence. And I know we're all different and we all have different belief systems and different ways of doing things, but in whatever you're doing and how you're doing it, just be sure to always check in to that inner guidance system. If it feels wrong, if it feels off in some way, if it feels like maybe you don't have all the information in a situation, that is your inner alarm system telling you to watch out, telling you that maybe there's something you're not seeing. Take a closer look. Telling you that you do not see the whole picture. So hold on a damn minute. There is a higher power, a higher intelligence that can see so much further than us, that knows things that we don't know. You have your own personal built-in spiritual antenna in this incredible machine called the body. You are linked, you are tuned in. You also have this incredible software called the subconscious mind, which can take in more information than you could ever consciously comprehend. These are your tools. We are all here for a unique purpose. Do you think it is not by design that there just happens to be only one you in a world of 7.9 billion people? It is important to connect with yourself. Forget about the people pleasing. Forget about living for other people. You're not here for them. Who are you? What do you want? Do you even know? You did not just happen to be born. You're here for a reason. Duh. There are no coincidences in this universe. Everything that happens by design. You are here to do phenomenal things. Which way a thing goes depends on you. We are not just our physical senses. We are so much more than that. We are not just this body. We are not just this mind. We are spirit. You are not a human being having occasional spiritual experiences. You are a spiritual being having a human experience. You are unlimited potential. It is not a sin to ask questions. It is not a sin to dive deep into yourself and find out why you believe what you believe, and if those beliefs are serving your highest and greatest good. It is not a listen to know that you are so much more than whatever you might have been told. And therefore, God is so much more than whatever you might have been told. All of us can have a close relationship with God. No matter what division you have put yourself in or have been put in. No matter what circumstances you were born into. No matter how you pray, where you pray, whether you're religious, whether you're spiritual, or whether you're neither, or whether you just don't know, God is there in the everything. God is in the invisible that gave birth to the vast universe and beyond. God is in nature. God is in the trees that freely give us oxygen so we can breathe. God is in the ocean. God is in the water that hydrates us, that quenches our thirst, that cleanses us, that gives us life. God is in the fire, in the earth, in the air, in all the galaxies, in all the planets, in all the star systems. God is there. And so therefore, God is also within you. You cannot put God in a box. You barely even understand your own self. And you think you know all there is to know about God? What we know is only a drop. What we don't know is an ocean. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you vibed with this video, please do let me know in the comments. I'd really love to know what you guys think. If there's a particular topic that you'd like me to touch on, please drop that in the comments as well. Please like the video and subscribe if you vibe. And the more videos I do, the more my self-expression improves. So there are greater things on the way, and I hope you will be joining me. I love you all, and may peace, love, and light